Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Asta, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about Google introduces new features for sustainable travel in maps and search. Tesla recalled 3,878 Cybertrucks over accelerator paddle issue. Microsoft's VASA1 AI model enables photos to exhibit human-like behavior. OnePlus plans to launch premium flip phone. Following Oppo's lead, Salesforce introduces Slack AI to enhance workplace collaboration. Apple announces layoffs in California amid post-pandemic job cuts. Vivo to launch V30e smartphone in India on May 2 and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to ID Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Aimed at promoting sustainable travel options. Users can now find convenient public transit and walking routes, view alternatives to air travel, and understand estimated flight emissions in over 15 cities worldwide. Google extends search functionality to provide information on long distance bus and train routes, including schedules, ticket prices, and booking links directly on the search results page. To encourage eco-friendly alternatives, Google will suggest train routes when users search for flights and make travel impact model. Estimates accessible via various platforms, including a developer API and Google Sheets add-on. Tesla issues a recall for approximately 3,878 Cybertrucks produced from November 2023 to April 2024 due to an accelerator paddle issue. The problem involves accelerator paddles potentially getting stuck by the interior trim, posing a risk of accidents. Tesla identifies an unapproved change in the production process leading to the use of lubricant during assembly, causing the accelerator pad to become dislodged. The company will address the issue at no cost to owners and reports no incidents of accidents, injuries, or fatalities related to this issue as of April 15. Microsoft's AI model, VASA1, has advanced capabilities to make photos appear to talk and exhibit human like behavior, blurring the line between photos and videos. The new AI framework leverages learning from vast internet resources and represents a significant leap in AI capabilities. Microsoft acknowledges potential misuse of AI tools like deepfakes and voice cloning, but emphasizes the positive impact and development opportunities offered by VSA1. While Microsoft remains vigilant about possible misuse, it continues to explore the potential of AI in various applications, contributing to the rapid evolution of AI technology. OnePlus is reportedly gearing up to launch its premium flip phone, similar to Oppo's foldable Open product launched last year. To compete in the foldable smartphone market, the rumored OnePlus flip phone is expected to feature telephoto and macro sensors, positioning it in a similar category as the Find N3 Flip model. The association between OnePlus and Oppo enables resource sharing and synergy, strengthening their position in the competitive smartphone market. OnePlus and Oppo smartphones are set to benefit from Google's Gemini AI model, enhancing user experience with features like news summary, audio summary, and AI toolbox. Salesforce launches Slack AI, a tool leveraging conversational data to help users work faster and smarter. Slack AI, available in multiple languages, offers features such as personalized search answers, conversation summaries, and a daily morning digest called Recap. The service aims to prioritize users' information needs, enhance context and productivity, and tap into new data sources to broaden its capabilities. Slack AI's integration with Slack Pro and Business Plus plans provides users with intelligent responses and insights to streamline workplace collaboration. Apple announces layoffs affecting over 600 workers in California, marking its first wave of post pandemic job cuts amidst tech industry consolidation. The layoffs, effective on May 27, reflect Apple's strategic restructuring efforts and evolving business priorities. Apple's offer to open its mobile payment system to rivals is set to be approved by EU antitrust regulators, potentially helping the company avoid fines and regulatory scrutiny. The European Commission aims to accept Apple's offer by summer, signaling progress in resolving ongoing antitrust investigations and fostering competition in the digital payments market. Vivo announces the launch event for its new V smartphone, the Vivo V30e, scheduled for May 2 in India. The smartphone features a dual rear camera setup, an Aura Ring LED flash, and a curved display with a 50 MP selfie camera, offering users premium photography experience. With a slim design to accommodate a 5500 mAh battery, the Vivo V30e promises long lasting performance and durability. Expected specifications include a 6.78-inch FHD Plus display with the 120Hz refresh rate, an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, and multiple storage configurations to cater to diverse user needs. This is Astha signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानते हैं टी फॉर ट्विटर अब एक्स बन गया है। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं विघ्नेश। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अल्फाबेट टी से ट्रेलो और टेंसरफ्लो। मशीन लर्निंग ही है जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को ड्राइव करता है। टेंसरफ्लो एक ओपन सोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म है मशीन लर्निंग के लिए जो गूगल ने बनाया है। इसमें रिसर्चर्स को एक फ्लेक्सिबल इकोसिस्टम मिलता है जिससे वो स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट एमएल तक पहुंच सकते हैं और डेवलपर्स को एआई एप्लीकेशंस बिल्ड और डिप्लॉय करने में आसानी होती है। और अब देखते हैं ट्रेलो को। ट्रेलो एक पॉपुलर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट टूल है जहां आप अपने टास्क को बोर्ड्स, लिस्ट और कार्ड्स के रूप में ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं। ये कोलैबोरेटिव टूल है, टीम्स को ऑर्गेनाइज रखने में मदद करता है और प्रोजेक्ट को स्ट्रीमलाइन करने में भी हेल्प करता है। तो आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने टी से ट्रेलो और टेंसरफ्लो के कुछ खास फीचर। अगर आपको एपिसोड पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और फॉलो करना ना भूलना। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट यू के साथ।